Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 34 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a place. So I'm going with this lily pond here. I love this. This is from this Ann Getty's book. And I just thought that was so cute. And we do place a good bit, and so I thought it'd be nice to have something a little different. Our next prompt is something that makes a sound and a pattern. I've got this little boy. It's a playing card, but he is playing his violin, which makes a sound and a pattern, and the birds make a sound and a pattern. We've got a portion of a blank form. I've got this part of a receipt. Something, someone else's handwriting. I've just got this here. Something inspired by a fairy tale. I've got this, it's a washi sticker, so I just trimmed around it. I'm going to leave the backing on because if you can tell by this one, you can see through it, and I really, with the darkness, I don't want that. But inspired by a fairy tale, it got this little frog, so I'm thinking the princess and the frog. And then we need random marks with paint or a pen. So I've got these. So this is going to be a simple one. I hope you'll enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everything's going great in your world. I can't complain. And mine, this is going to be a very, very quick collage. This kind of speaks for itself. I really struggled this week, so I just got something that made me smile. So that little baby makes me smile. That was the age I took care of when I used to work in daycare, and they could be so sweet in their love. And that's one thing I love about babies and animals. They don't care what you look like. They don't care how much money you have. It's just as long as they're loved and comforted, they're happy. All right. Get this down and get this. Kind of catty corner it and get that. Well, let's see. I'm in book 7 of the Vampire Diaries. We're in season 3 of Sherlock. We forgot how much we love that show. We've seen it before. I've seen it a couple times. I love it. And I never remember everything, so it's a lot of fun. It makes me laugh too. They couldn't have gotten anyone any better than Benedict Cumberbatch and Martin Freeman. I'm terrible with names. Take no offense, because I struggle. Just ask my boys. Sometimes I call them the cat's name. Okay. Well, that's my collage there. So now I just want to go around with some dots. I like dots better than lines. Just some mark making. And instead of gold splatters, I'm gonna use a gold pen. Try not to smear what I've already got down. I don't know if you can see this gold or not. Not showing up a whole lot. Let's see what other colors I've got. Add some white. Maybe we've got, oh, I've got my metallic ones I forgot. Let's see what we can do with these. Let's see, anything else going on? Not a whole lot. It has been very, very hot. We got a nice reprieve, and it was actually feeling like a little bit like fall. We even got down in the 60s at night, which is great here in Mississippi in August. But the humidity has come back. And it has not been pleasant. Let's see. I think I'll use my black one just to kind of make a frame. No, it hasn't been, the humidity came back and it's just been unbearable. We got a nice thunderstorm yesterday, but even though it's in the 70s this morning, and this is like at 7 o'clock, I went outside to get the mop bucket and it was hot and steamy. And I plan on grilling today, so I'll probably just stand in the kitchen, which is also hot anyway, and watch from the door. Alright, let's see. Put a few dots over here. I've already got the white dots. I love these stickers. And I would put them on without realizing that they were backed. You know, I'd forget. But when I do take the back off, I forget how clear they are, especially on a pattern paper. So that's why I left the backing on that one. Okay. Let's see. Anything else? Maybe this gold would do better. Get it started. I haven't used this gold. Yeah, I think that shines up a little better. Oh, you can't see the other. I'll put a little bit over here. I don't know that it's that much difference. Down here's where you really couldn't see it. Yeah, I like this one better. And let's see, take my, I think I just want to take my gel pen and kind of go over this to let it pop a little bit. There we go. And do this one. Cute. And I'm just going to go around her a little bit. Help her pop a little. I know she doesn't have a crown on or anything, but I still think she looks like a princess. Okay, and I'll go around my frog. Help him to pop out a little. And probably my little baby. It's amazing what just a little bit of outlining can do. That face. I love that face. Alright. Well, there we go. We have got our place, which is a lily pond. Something that makes a sound and a pattern, our violin and our birds. A portion of a blank form, got this portion of a receipt. Someone else's handwriting, I've got that. Something inspired by a fairy tale, The Princess and the Frog. And the bonus is random marks with a paint or pen, and I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. All this helps our channel to grow, and it doesn't cost a thing. And if you don't do it on mine, do it on someone else's. I heard Amy from Crafty Cat say that, and she's totally right. So y'all take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW34 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.